back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, these might be just a little bit boring. Most of these are going to be customer service type jobs. I wish that every day I could bring you a video where some amazing company like Tesla or Google is hiring for some fabulous non-phone work from home position with fabulous pay or some type of data entry. But of course, I am in the business of bringing you real companies that are hiring right now work from home, and not every day is going to be a fabulous day. But first up, I do have one that was requested in the comments. So I do just want to mention that if you are looking for anything specific, please feel free, if you have not already, to leave that in the comments. I do read those comments and keep a lookout for anything I know someone is looking for. But with that being said, we are going to dive all in. The first up, the company we have is Select Quote. They have 1,500 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a bilingual quality assurance representative. This is remote for the United States. I noticed someone in the comments, I think yesterday, if not in the last few days, was looking for bilingual positions. So this one is a bilingual position for anyone who speaks both English and Spanish. It's one of those like customer service quality checks where you're listening to those phone calls and giving feedback. So they are looking for somebody to listen to inbound and outbound calls of potential customers that require a higher level of understanding. You'll communicate with your managers, assisting with audits, making sure that the calls completed by the quality assurance representatives are completed in an accurate manner. You're going to assist with reporting and loading worksheets, just facilitating any feedback and training to those quality assurance representatives, letting them know what they need to work on and what they did right. Now, as far as experience in education goes, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of some kind of call center or customer service experience. They do prefer somebody who can use those Microsoft Office systems or Google Suite, and they prefer somebody who has related experience in some kind of Medicare, auto, or home life, so in the insurances field. Other than that, you've got to have great communication skills and be a multitasker with great listening skills. Moving on along, though, next up, we have the company LL Flooring. Now, I can contest this is a real legit company because when I had my floors redone in my house, because the flooring in my house was actually original to the house, so I had to have them replaced, I used this LL Flooring company. They have 467 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a customer relations specialist. So basically somebody to receive those inbound phone calls. You'll also have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls as necessary, just answering and resolving all customer inquiries and making sure that you document your interactions with the customer in the Salesforce database. So you'll provide that customer service using voice inflection, call control, and empathy while clearly and concisely giving them the information that they need. So they want somebody who can kind of be a little bit of empathetic to the customer and how the customer is feeling. Of course, you'll have to keep knowledge of all of the product lines, the flooring product lines, and installation techniques that LL Flooring offers, so you can let the customers know all the information that they need to know. They are open 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and then 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Sunday. And so they're looking for somebody who can be a little bit of a flexible in those hours that you work. While they don't require any kind of college degree, they are looking for somebody who has experience with like Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, somebody who can speak and write clearly in English, somebody who's a multitasker and can work in a fast-paced environment. Now this one, if you have bilingual skills, it is a plus, might get you to the top of the line, but bilingual is not required for this one. And unfortunately, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company Order.co. They have 68 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote customer support specialist. Now, Order.co is a guided marketplace on a mission to simplify buying for businesses. So you'll be handling a high volume of calls, emails, and chats from the Order.co customers as well as vendors. You'll be responsible for responding to their inquiries, complaints, and requests for assistance. So you'll have to use problem-solving skills to identify and resolve these customer issues. Customer issues could be like technical support problems or product usage. And of course, if you can't help the customer, you'll have to escalate any complex issues up to the appropriate team. Just accurately keeping records in the system, making sure that you document all of your interactions with the customers and follow up when needed. No college degree is needed with this one. Just somebody who has strong communication skills, somebody who's a great problem solver, a great multitasker with great time management skills. It does say if you have 1 year of customer support or related experience, that's a bonus for you, but it's not required. Now, this one pays anywhere from $20 an hour up to $23 an hour and does include a standard benefit package that includes a paid time off, medical, dental, vision insurance, all the things. But keeping it moving, next up we have the company Brightline. Brightline has 53 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a member support specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States, a full time. They're looking for somebody to support Brightline's members with signing up, scheduling, billing, or any other administrative task that they need. So you're going to be joining a small but mighty team. So you'll have to help conduct phone calls with new members to assess if they fit within Brightline services, schedule appointments for those members, making sure that the member has their paperwork completed and submitted on time, supporting all the doctors and providers with a variety of administrative tasks, just conducting insurance eligibility checks, filing insurance claims, collecting member payment, just all the things that are administrative, like in a front office of a medical office. Now, this is 100% remote. It does pay anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $63,000 a year. And they don't require any kind of college degree. You just have to have a passion for behavioral health, someone who has the ability to communicate with Spanish-speaking members in both English and Spanish. So this is another bilingual position for someone who is looking. Great communication skills, and they want somebody who's a medical office or insurance billing is a plus. And of course, last but not least, we have the company Assurant. Now, Assurant has 3,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are also hiring a customer service representative. So they're looking for somebody to perform just that customer service, receiving those inbound phone calls from the customers and providing that superior customer service experience, listening to the customer's concerns, solving their problems, and answering any questions they have, just finding a resolution for the customer while being empathetic to their situation, because every customer is different and they want somebody who can truly bend into the customers and the current challenges that the customers face, being that different one-on-one for each customer. Now, again, only a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is needed with this one. Is somebody who has 0 to 3 years of customer service experience, great communication skills, great listening skills, and great attention to detail. Be able to multitask and use those computer systems. This one does pay anywhere from $14.04 an hour all the way up to $21.76 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, as always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep a lookout. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.